Hello, so in this video I'm gonna tell you how to integrate MailChimp with Elementor Pro on WordPress. So first of all you need to go to actions after submit and select MailChimp here, and then under MailChimp select default, and now come to the dashboard Elementor and then go to settings. Here go to integrations, and under MailChimp we have to insert API key. For this go to your MailChimp and select your account. Here under extras you will find API keys, so click on API keys, and here you have to create a key. I already have it, but I can create a new one to just show you. Copy this key and paste it over here. Validate key, save changes, and now go back to the Elementor page, click on update and refresh the page. Select the form, and under MailChimp when you will select default you will see your audience name, so just select it and just be sure that after mail you have selected the field. Update, and now we can submit one email and check how if it works or not. So before we can see the number of audience we already have, so we have 87, and when we have subscribed a new email the form is successfully submitted, and when we refresh we will see that now there are 88 contacts, so it's working perfectly. So in the next video I'm gonna show you how to send welcome email to your MailChimp audience. Whenever anyone will subscribe to the audience he will automatically receive a welcome email. So like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the related videos. Thank you.